Hello, welcome back. It's application problem for lesson 3. Application problem. Now let's read together. Draw one picture to match both these sentences. The book is longer than the index card. The book is shorter than the folder. Which is longer? The index card or the folder? Write a statement comparing the two objects. Use your drawing to help you answer the question. Wow, it's going to be interesting. Now, pick up your pencil and a book. Are you ready? Now let's go. The book is longer than the index card, and the book is also shorter than the folder. So here you are going to draw 3 objects: a book, an index card, and a folder. Listen to the instruction. The book is longer than the index card. The book is also shorter than the folder. Now let's see what we can do about this. Yes, I want to draw mine on my empty slide. I'll take this to be the book. Is the book. Okay, the book is longer than the index card, so they could be my index card. It's my index card. Index card. Good. The book is shorter than the folder. The book is shorter than the folder. Now, this is my folder. This is my folder. That's my folder. Now I want to label my objects. This is my book. Book. Capital letter B. The B for book. Index card. C for card. And the next one is my folder. Good. Is my folder. Now, the index card is write a statement comparing the two objects. The question says, which is longer? Which is longer? So, can you compare this object for me? From what you can see from the screen, which is longer? Is it the folder or the book? The folder. Correct. Now write a statement about it on your book. I'm waiting. Okay. Which is longer, the index card or the folder? We said it's a folder, right? Now, what will be your statement? Good. The folder is longer than the what? The index card. The folder is longer than the index card. So this is longer. The folder is longer than the index card. That is your statement. You are correct. Let's move to the next problem. Wow. This is a part. Or what? A part. Or you can call it a bus. Okay? We have a square shape there. Square shapes. Now the question is, Mary and Anne are trying to figure out whose path to the park is longer. How can we find out which part is longer? Using this map, Mary and Anne are trying to figure out whose part is longer. Now we are going to count the parts of Mary. Now, can you see from your screen the thick line are the part Mary walk, okay? Now we are going to count each block. All right, now let's go. Let's start with Mary's part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So Mary works 11 blocks. Okay, now let's count Anne's parts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 parts. Now the question is, how can we figure out which part is longer? Using the map, we've just done that. So, can you tell me whose part is longer? Is it Anne or Mary? Remember, Mary works 11 blocks and 9 blocks. So, whose part is longer? Mary, good. Mary, 11 blocks. Let's look at the next one. If a new girl, Beth, moves into the neighborhood and walks along paths to get to the park. You can see the park from the picture. Okay, I'll go again. If a new girl, Beth, moves into the neighborhood and walks a longer path to get to the park than Mary. Whose path is longer, Beth or Anne? Wow! Remember, the new girl Beth moves into the neighbor and walks a longer path. A longer path. From those statements, we've answered the question. Mary's path was what? 11 blocks. Anne's 9. Right? Now, a new girl just came in and walked a longer path. Longer path. Let's see if we can draw her path. Since her path is longer, we'll start here. Good. Now can you count for me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17 for Beth. I'll denote Beth with little b. Now these are parts. And the question is, whose part is longer, Beth or Anne? Can you tell me? Correct! Beth is longer. Beth is longer. Now, order the parts from longest to shortest. Wow! Order the parts from longest to shortest. So from the example above, whose part is longest? Good! Beth's part. So I'll start with Beth. After Beth, the next one will be Mary. And the last one, Anne. Good. This is interesting. From longest to shortest. Beth's part is longer than Mary's part, and also longer than Anne's part. Mary's part is longer than Anne's part, and Anne's part is the shortest part. It's good. Yes. Here comes the end of application problem. Click on the next video for problem 6. See you.